Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be sneezing on people. Nate, what did mom ask her? What she wanted?
She said creamy peanut butter.
This is right though. I gotta ask her. Excuse me. Have you saw those videos where they use the corn syrup to like make those candy things? Would this be good for that or would it be bad? Should I get light or heavy?
What are you making?
Like those candy things.
You would like keep that.
What about those seasonings? Like
Yeah.
yeah. Or like you see those ones over there?
Are you okay?
Yeah, sir. It's the allergies. I have like bad allergies to dust and stuff.
Well, cover your face when you're doing that.
Yeah, sorry. Like you never saw those TikToks? Do you have TikToks?
TikTok.
Instagram?
No.
YouTube?
I look at YouTube.
OnlyFans? I'm just messing with you. I was not actually sneezing on you. It's this. Yeah.
You had Tourette syndrome.
Tourette's?
They
Like
make-
tics? Yeah.
I used to have that when I took my medicine.
Yeah, he hasn't.
Well, that's good.
You know now we can't do it to you. I know I've been slacking recently. I haven't uploaded in almost 3 weeks, and that's because the weather has been poopy lately. Today we don't have a video idea, so we went to Homes again. This is our #1 op. They hate us, and we're gonna go mess around again and make them hate us more.
Or you know what the workers look like. If y'all come in here and play all the time, y'all know what the workers are. Don't come in here starting no mess. I don't care if y'all in here. Don't be running around. Don't be breaking stuff. None of that. I'm not the one for that. So I'm gonna tell y'all that now.
Breaking
So you know where the bathroom is at then? That's a genuine question. We have to use the bathroom. She is not the one to play with. Alright guys, so we decided to leave At Homes, leave them alone for a little bit because the next prank that I'm planning for At Homes it's gonna be a big one, so we need a little cool down. We're gonna go to Subway, and in one of my recent videos we went to Subway and we kept pressing the bell and then they got pissed. I'm gonna do it again. So we're gonna go do it again.
You gotta put it at the end. You gotta put...
Huh? Oh, sorry. I wanted to ring for a smile,
I want a bulk. I need some food.
I'll get you food if you go ring it.
So you swear.
What?
Like shake on it. Like you're dead ass give me food.
I'm dead ass. I'll get you food if you go ring on it just once. I'll get you food. I'm not getting him food. I'm not getting you food, Cole.
Rich.
No. Help! Help! Oh, look at that Hellcat.
My favorite cat. POV, my favorite cat.
Knee slapper. I didn't get Subway because I hate Subway. Today, we're gonna be going wakeboarding. We're at my good friend Colin's house, and we're gonna go wakeboarding today.
Could you tell where my head was at when you found me? Me and you went to hell and back just to find peace. Man, I thought I had everything, I was lonely. Now you're my everything, I was lonely. I missed a lot of love with a lot of drugs, then I found you. She liked petty crime, she had green eyes like Mountain Dew. And where she go, I'll never know, her friends bounce to. I guess it's their loss, cause they'll never know what we'll amount to. And would you be my light, be my yellow? PYT walking down Portobello, put a smile on his face at the end of the day. MDMA helped us fly away. Who'd have known you would save my life?